It's not a Los Angeles archive video, man. This video is about my good folks over there at Arepo. These my peoples, bro.
Let me get it done.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. I am back. Hopefully we looking good with another video. Yes, indeed, man. But I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I can't really tell. I know it's been a minute. I know I ain't been consistent as I need to be, but we just gonna do this anyway, because a lot been going on, man. For real, bro. I ain't making no excuses, but trust me, a lot has been going on. Like right now, hurricane on the way.
You need to prepare. You're gonna die.
Yeah, nonetheless, man, I'm finna create something, try to drop something. Hopefully we don't lose power. If we do, oh well, I'll be all right. I'll survive. I got food, I got water, I got drink, I got smoke. Yeah, anyway, man, what this video is about today, it's not a Los Angeles archive video, man. I know y'all used to seeing Los Angeles archive videos from me. Yo, we not finna even talk about them. This video is about my good folks over there at Arepo Vison. Yes, indeed, arepovision.com. Hey, if you have not checked them out, if you have not gone over there and made a purchase, I suggest you do it now. Hey, these folks the truth, man. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I bought that Vultures jacket. Hopefully this ain't making noise in there. I made a video about it, I talked about it. I loved it, but it didn't fit. But somebody from Arepo Vison has been reaching out to me, man, and they told me that they was gonna try to find me another jacket in a larger size. Unfortunately, he couldn't find one in a larger size, but he did say that he was gonna send me another item, and today I have that item here. And I'm not even gonna say today because this package actually came. So let me say this, Arepo Vison is super fast with their shipping, bro. This package was supposed to be here Monday, but the post office, yes, not because of Arepo Vison, the post office dropped the ball, and just making sure my sound right. But yeah, the post office dropped the ball, didn't bring my package on Monday like it was supposed to. It was here in Orlando, but they didn't bring it. So that's not Arepo's fault. So without further ado, man, we gonna get into what's in this box. I believe I know what's in this box because I had the discussion with whoever was representing Arepo in the DM. But we gonna see what's in here, because I don't really know for sure. I think I know, but I don't know for sure. I'm excited either way. I'm appreciative either way, because like I say, man, they did not have to do this, bro. They could have just let it be what it was at the end of the day. But they went out their way to make it right, man. And like I said, them is my peoples now, so I'm rocking with Arepo Vison. But that's it, I'm finna get into this box because I'm actually excited to see what I got. And yeah, let's do this. Bam, bam, bam. Good tape on this motherfucker. Y'all probably can't hear that, but doing this thing out there. Good rapping, good shipping. Let me not knock over the drink. Wait, hold on, what they do? Oh snap, okay. Oh snap. Yo, hold on, bro. Nah, they did they big one, bro. Because one of these pieces I knew for sure was supposed to be in here. Hopefully I'm not peeking because I just got excited. Hey man, hey. Nah, hold on, I gotta hit the SP on this one, bro. Cheers, man. Yo, now the first, this item here was supposed to be in here. But they went all the way out for me, bro. They sent me a couple other items. I think I'm pretty sure I know what this is because I mentioned it when he was asking me if I wanted. Yep, I see. Hey, man. These my peoples, bro. I'm actually mad I waited so long to do this video now. But at the same time, I'm not, because, yo, this just made my day in the middle of the hurricane, bro. I don't even know where to start now. Yeah, hold on, man. I gotta put that's what's up, bro. Hey, yo, this is what's up. I think I'm gonna start, okay. Hey. Ooh, hold on, Cuddy. They done sent your boy the gloves. Got your boy right in this bitch. Yeah, they done got me right in this bitch, man. I can't see shit, but hold on. It might help to not put it up. Hold on, man. Arepo done got your boy right, man. And I ain't even showed y'all the main piece because I'm excited about this because that's crazy, bro. I was finna cop this anyway. So now I gotta cop something else just because they showed your boy some love. So yeah, I probably ain't got it on right. I'm gonna have to get right in the mirror, but you see me. Hey, shout out to Arepo Vison, man. And I'm a Scorpio. I like this type of shit, man. This dark vibe, you feel me? Hey, I can't even see what I look like. That ain't gonna help. I got the phone in front of me. This alright. They got a supporter in me for life now. Now the main part of this video, cause this is the piece that I actually had discussed and they told me they was gonna send me because they found this. This is a one-size-fits-all item. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna figure out something to do with this. I'm gonna layer this up and we gonna get right. So let me see what it look like first. Hold on, I like this. So yeah, kimono joint, man. Hopefully y'all get, let me see, yeah. Vultures kimono, man. Arepo Vison doing their thing, bro. The quality on this is fire. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is really good quality. Certain that these are but I know the quality on this is fire, bro. So, man, I'm gonna hit the SB again. Cheers to Arepo Vison, bro. Definitely rocking with y'all for this, man. This is love. And when they did it hard. I like this. Uh-oh, look like the internet went out. Power's still on, but the internet went out. All right, we good. But yeah, man, this one I'm really rocking with, the hat and the mask. I'm rocking with it all, actually. I'm talking about what I'm really rocking with. I'm rocking with it all. They got me right, man. They got me right. Shout out to Arepo, man. Shout out to Arepo, bro. Anyway, man, this your boy Mike Dub signing out, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this up, put this outfit together. Probably got this, yeah, let me get my seam in the middle, man. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and layer this up with something, man. Throw in a little something, and I'm gonna see y'all in a second, but I ain't coming back after that. I'm gonna end it after that. So, with that said, man, peace, love, I'm gone.
Hey, slap a bitch nigga like Annie, are you okay? Blood on my glove, goddamn it, are you OJ? 2-way, 4-way, gotta get more pay. Pimpin' ain't dead, only way is the whole way. Them need bread every day except no day. He ain't about that, don't come through my doorway. Act like you know me, pay if you owe me. Down to throw hands, but you know that it's on me. I got a little bitch I call when I'm lonely. Promises I don't call cause I'm not lonely. When I pull up in that charger, they own me. If they not up in that charger, they gon' me. Keep my balls at my work like I'm Tony. Am I really that real or these niggas just really that phony? Man, I swear this shit in me, not on me. You can't clone me, no. Hey, man, I swear this shit in me, not on me. Am I real or these niggas just phony? Is we family or niggas just homies? Hey, man, I swear this shit in me, not on me. Am I real or these niggas just phony? Is we family or niggas just homies? Hey, boy, I swear this shit on you, not in you. If you pussy, my words gonna offend you. I been eating, I don't need a menu. Nigga, find you some business to tend to. Instead of trying to compare what I've been through to some pussy ass shit that you didn't do. Nigga, you never been where I've been to. You can't teach me no shit that I've been through. Let it breathe, let it breathe. You, what I reply to a bitch when she asks what I'm trying to get into. Hey, when I say put me in the friend zone, I'm telling you bring a friend too. Also, I swear this little bitch is meant to.